Welcome back to twinphosafamily. Another beautiful day, and twinphosafamily is out for safari. Yay! And the first time ever we are going to safari, right? So we're gonna have lots of fun. Yes, darling. Okay, Daddy's here. Okay, stay tuned.
Just all the way.
Adult 46.95, kids 30 something.
Stop what? You used to beg me to spin you. Now you want me to stop?
अब लजा है क्या ठुलो भएर
I don't really like it. I'm not a baby. Well, you're a baby to me.
मैले भने अलि ठुलो इच्छा हिँड्दो त लजाएको Okay, so they have a souvenir shop right here, right next to the entrance. Oh, then they Samla, darling, this is the. Pagi motor song that you see those buses. Me kashi ro option doa. So motor kiye menani roa. Kunju gaji bus le dogela. So nganju khari choose chire. Nganju so motor kiye choose chira. Kisi bus to na del to orde. Line up chi bus to. And the bus to me to buksa. Your papa to pujun zal dega your papa panding to moji gate. Nganju memories rama. Safari tour bus. Okay, very pretty and clean. Trespassers will be eaten. See, do not feed animals.
Amongst a group like that.
I'm gonna take a picture of that, okay?
Yes, please, darling. And lioness is relaxing, sunbathing.
Whoa!
She's up now.
Papa, can you move your head out of the way?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
No. Oh, I missed it.
The rangers.
Mama, look, I caught a good picture of it.
Oh, good job, Jojo.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this
Look at
Look at this
Oh, wow. Pujung, the Jojo needs to pay our gesha.
Look at all them.
Whoa!
See, Pujung, do you see it now? Wow.
Take a picture. Good shot.
It's a
Yes, I took a good shot. It's a nice.
monkey family and monkey.
Oh, look! There's a monkey right in front of me.
Yeah, Pujung, to take picture, okay? I'm gonna go chiga. Anje. Okay, we see giraffe with antelope mare.
I think so.
If I'm saying it right, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I think it's antelope or antelope lanta sadira. Cantaloupe lanta sadira.
Mama, there's zebras over there.
Zebra hodo.
Zebras.
Oh yeah, even zebra is there.
For now, just watch, okay? Kada pila zebra let's stay.
Pujung, par gegi hai thanda. Oh, ta thanda ke di giraffe din just zebra challi ra. Ani par yabu gya video gya chilo, okay?
Ooh, I took a really good one.
Josala, Pujung, Rinjala doesn't want. He sat here. अनि उसको लागि अरे सारो भयो रे बिचारा Lagi ramah ringin ni.
No,
Ngam.
it's just hard up here.
Di lai hard. That's why Pujung didn't want it to sit here anymore. Come.
Hard masala sana di masaga kuch.
Bang, ini kalau kita juga saja ni. Sit on my lap ya. Kamu kamu.
But why?
Kamu salah tu ke? Hawan shoot ya. Nanti.
Yeah, but let's go again and take really good pictures now.
Wow.
Really good
Gee, I would
picture.
take a picture.
I also took
So now I took a
shot
picture
for-
of this animal.
I'm gonna show you the giraffe.
The animal
A really
that's
good
sitting.
giraffe.
Wow.
Oh.
What are they doing?
Careful!
I want to take a picture. Oh, I missed it.
Oh yeah.
What are they doing?
No, because they
They're
have a
just
long
playing.
neck, right?
They're just playing.
So kasi cheeky kang structure ama.
Hi, Tibetan.
Would you say hi to him, mama?
Kita kota the singling kita.
I took a picture of giraffe's skin so we can remember him. Giraffe skin. Oh my look! The goat.
Oh yeah.
It came down pretty bad.
Kita पहिला ostrich lagi kiwi I don't know.
Oh yeah, ostrich.
What?
Ostrich the
Oh,
bird.
ostrich over there.
Kita raja ringal lah.
Dito, pure mushi rajo road ge. Yeah. Monkey king ge rajo road.
Wow, I'm taking a picture of that pond over there. I think safari's gonna end soon.
주다다. 아마 camera 통고다.
Yeah.
Smile 주다. Smiling 좀 주다.
Okay.
And handsome.
I'm gonna take a wait. I am.
Sholia
We're over here. We're over here. After when we take the curve, we're gonna see the kangaroos right over there.
Okay.
Wait, I'll close the map later. I wanna take a picture. We hit the kangaroo area.
Yeah.
No, this one's really bad.
More kangaroo over there. Front la.
Oh, I should take a picture of those.
Oh,
Ayun, nakawala
look,
sa
look,
sarili.
kangaroo.
Oh, wait, I wanna take another picture.
Isi pa ka ba?
But let's go just this one. Yes, this one's a good one.
Okay. Tuda hani yak do thong du ges this puda nza.
Yeah, they actually do.
Deer.
Oh yeah, deers. I forgot. And there's also America's over there.
America's like the phagi dir sha bull do.
I think they look like.
Okay,
bulls.
thangi ngansa song the America's marisha.
I think the last one we saw was the yak. Last time we saw.
You might be right. They didn't really show it on their the map, but I think
Is
so.
this one good? Oh, this one's super good.
Kita map do mi de.
Remember, if you look really closely to the bull, do you see the hill on top?
Yeah.
It actually looks like it's like a turtle thingy on top of the bull.
Do you know what's happening on their body?
What?
I think their hair is shedding off.
Preparing for summer.
Yeah. Maybe the whole winter they had like long fur to keep them warm. Mother Nature take you yara kunzula.
Those things look like they're right now gonna attack.
Yeah. Those things look like they're so mad right now,
Yeah.
like ready to
ready to
bump their
war.
head. That's how they fight. Tada koi ragyo banta da fight chijini chik diya chik mad. Look at his horn.
What happened?
One is up, brah. The one is up, brah. Other side is down.
This side is up the pujung. This side is down.
The one side is down.
See, looks like it's broken.
Maybe he had a big fight. Okay, now our safari tour coming to an end.
Oh man.
Mr. Omen.
Yeah.
Oh man, are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm having so much fun.
Yeah. I don't know why Pujung didn't want it to come at the front, but he is having fun at the back. Hopping from one place to other place, right and left, and every time he sees animals. Okay,
One,
guys, we're crossing the gate.
2, 3.
This is so hot.
Even the dashboard is hot. There, the parking lot list. Thank you, Sade. Thank you, and thank you for letting us enjoy.
Hey, this was the funnest safari ever.
Keep right. It was the funnest safari.
Yep.
We're done with the animal sightseeing. Now we are going for a picnic. It's the parking lot, and this is me. So just gonna have some picnic and tea there. It's Sunday today, June 1st, 2025. So we are having nice time with the family. It's kind of a little chilly again. This side of the park. They do have like a big picnic area and lots of empty seats, but I think we want to stay under the shade. Connect with nature more, I guess. There's we're sitting beside the pond, and under the sunlight.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job.
Amnya rumah assistant. Gela is vlogging.
These are candy. We like candy.
조절 때 카페 돼요. 야, oh my goodness, 선라 락벌지 아마. 선라 부중들은 쉐치사 갈라 그래. 안주 도전아 라다. 안주. Chowmin and puri and emandazi and mixed vegetables, storage, and veggie fried rice. And this is momo style tingmo, but there is mixed veggies inside. Regular tingmo, salsa, and aloo tarkari. So that's the dish. I'm not sure, I didn't even see. Sanamla, kyo aloo sara kachao yana ama sao. It's okay, ama gel lengo ta kirasa. Ta kirasa ama.
Yeah, mom, yeah.
Okay, so today's okay, 다른 게 칼라창마. Everything is vegetarian. So 사가다와. So everything is vegetarian. And
Aji, this special dish.
yeah, that's that one is with the paneer and soybean chunk filling.
Special dish.
Yeah,
Yummy, yummy.
and I also have a regular timo, and I have salsa, and I have aloo tarkari.
Do my pencil dish. Camera.
Spoon ga dekha, chomin khale sai spoon.
I need this for these potatoes. I already have
Yeah,
Are these super spicy?
ta kena khaso sa kena samadina amso. But khajing aloo dipe khaso chasa nge sibe nyunyulu ba this time. Let's see. So, got my lunch. Looks so good.
So Nam.
So good, thank you. So delicious.
Safari. We are at Safari. Just finished our lunch. Had a great time. More to see, right? The other side.
심지 대도 차려와. 디 메인 디를 가서 전부 양디 가로 버스로 저.
Eagle, parrot. But it's nice, like nice picnic. 뭐 상마치 이게 여기메게 시계메게 상마치.
당에 칼라치가 뿜에다 중요한 뭐 칼라창을 빼신 못 살았어요. 너무 당했어요.
Thank you. 다 신부차에나 빼 가서 예.
상마. 알루 나무. 아 상마.
Thank you. 한 어제 가서 ngõ chơi là đã ghé là tin chỉ chuẩn bị là tin chỉ YouTuber gourmet family re ning chỉ ghé là ning chỉ tay tay được rồi ngõ chơi cái gì kia ghé là ning chỉ tay được ning chỉ okay. So, yeah. Okay, so we had a great afternoon, delicious food. It was like a potluck. We did a potluck. We all brought something. They have a mini train, mini boat, and birds to see. So we're not sure if we will visit everything or just some of it. So stay tuned. So they have boating already. So we are on the boat. Maybe the card and
Alrighty, awesome. Good afternoon and welcome to the African Queen Boat Cruise. Feet and heads well inside the boat at all times. African Queen Boat Cruise is intended as a scenic ride and not an animal display, so it's only by chance that you may see our animals. We're going to try our best to spot habitat destruction, hunting, and the rapid acceleration of human encroachment on the remaining habitats. That being said, if this trend
Thanks.
their tails in the same
See you
manner.
here.
their
He's sitting
tail
right here. Look on the
has
stone.
a patch of skin near the tip
Yata como
without any
panza.
fur or hair on it, and it's got grooves similar
Look,
to
Puju,
the
Saramla,
grooves on your
look, the
finger,
black one.
which
The
enhances
black one.
their grip.
The spider
They need
monkey.
very good grip when they're hanging from the trees. They also do not have thumbs, which makes them a little bit faster, a little bit more agile while swinging through branches in pursuit of their diet, which consists of fruits and leaves. Rodents, fish, frogs, snakes, and insects or other small animal-like, and they can often be found frequenting the African garbage dumps if they're not in the mood for a carcass, or if they can't find one.
Musim thank you.
Just a little mini, but because it has the dog, right?
Okay, we're done with the boat tour.
Feel it. Just don't be startled.
There are more people. Actually, the lineup is like much more than how it was when we first lined up. Yeah. 그다 미니 중에 아주 되게 지나 몇 망부대다. 로 거랑 인도 거랑 직접 거랑 도시.
Timing dapat siya.
아주 되게 디스 고 걸어라 야. So we just went on this one, African Queen Boat Cruise. Car seats, infant carriers, food, drinks are not permitted on the tour. That's why Gela couldn't come. He has Stella in car seat. Safari outfitters. Khao ganing je. Wow, give me hold it up go to kola hold it in name dani khad open chi close chi sare. Dele chi amate. Dela tata. Ya mi sheba sulta ko. चला लमसा दिखा जी लमसा दबा दा Wow, give me dinosaur. कुछ नहीं था ला आले food truck menu they have. Okay, so they have like 6 chicken nugget and fries combo, and for kids they have 4 chicken nugget and fries combo. So we got 4 chicken nuggets and combo, and they gave us in the container. They gave us like it's kind of cute. We weren't expecting. We chose that drink. So they have nice lunch box. Now we're waiting for the nugget and the fries. Wow, kinjungita. Looks so good. Chicken nugget and fries. Kale sa ame kale sa tanda khatsagi. Baba chik sagim bani fries to cha. Wow, Sonamla, that's so nice of you. Wow, Pujun, that's so nice of you. Chicken kara sama chicken shima shiyomare. Chicken ra two sabla shilan khande abu chashtada khande chombudu. Tagiram puri saraya. Masana yan tholare. Ine samla kyoto puri sage mingjam ama me thank you ama. Samla ama share chini thank you so much lo ama me lo darling. Thank you so much darling. Ama disama thank you lo. Sar de ke hunde त्यो त अझै आउँछ चढ्नु मन लाग्दैन अझै आउँछ Yeah. They have like nice obstacle course for kids. And water park. Right now it's a little too cold to play in water. Yeah. I think it's very nice in summer. I can feel the water breeze. Okay. Yeah. Trent is here. Nagula di machida.
I can't understand.
Oh, there are birds in there. You can't really see much. Lots of bird all the way down. Okay, after the boat ride, we on our way here. There were nice water park, but the weather is still not like water park friendly. We did bring like costume for boys, like bathing suits, but it's too cold. So they got something to eat, like fries and chicken again. Now we are at line up for the train ride. And the line is moving now. Line's moving. Okay, sorry. Sorry. One second, okay?
The little birds you see flying along the water surface are swallows. All these species of elephant are endangered, mostly due to habitat loss and hunting the animal for their ivory tusks. Once the train tour is done, if you head to the right, you'll be able to find our elephant lookout where you can see many more elephants. That is the snapping turtle. They're the largest of all freshwater. Please watch your head and step as you exit the train. Thank you so much for visiting us today, and I hope you enjoy the remainder of your stay here on safari.
Sonamla rinchela manyo ni lakpa chana kaju dangiru. Are you kidding me? We got a big snake. Sonamla rinchela lakpa chana kuju kaju dangiru. No, we already got a big snake. Let's go. Ama? Ale oh, re. They got a chip to do the chilo tongora. It's like birds we see outside. Game take it. Ale show, bird show. Yay! Where is Jojo? Jojo Sapado.
Sonamla, hurry!
Oh, Sonamla, I missed it. Oh my God. I missed him coming down. That's the train ride we just took. Samla, let's go to the. Everybody's ready, Amma. Everybody's ready to go. Pujung, come, let's go. Slide and let's go. And this playground is for kids 5 years and under. Because the one that we went, the obstacle course, it's actually for big kids. And my baby is here. So, Pujung, yeah, tell me. 간다 쳤어. 여보 쳤어. 기부 쳤어. 단다 obstacle course 간다 쳤어. 기부 쳤어. One thari safari experience hari chas. Anju safari life la first time le ra. Teta da real skeleton teta. Real skeleton of what? Oh, raccoon, otter. Already. Four. Already it's around 4 p.m. and I met gourmet family on the way. It's around 4 p.m. and weather is getting cold. It's kind of chilly. Yeah. Hi Chella.
Hello.
Hi Chella. Chella ni kibu shoes kusta ke.
Yeah, chilla.
Rocker la stroller la rock chini.
Chilla.
Chella
Chilla, good girl. Chilla.
ni kibu shoes kusta. Chella ki thanda ki situation di every grown up ki dream de. Eat, sleep. Chilo la chira do mo ko gumo kyam mo chira. Stroller rock chini ya nap lingi ya. Chella is having all the grown ups good times.
Please like, share, subscribe. Twins Family channel.
Thank you, Gela. Thank you, Chella. Chella ya saying ni ya tokta chayre ya didi ya. Isa bugu din sa. Mirkian daw da. Didi ya lagi girda. Like, share, subscribe leni. So it's kind of getting chilly. The day is almost ending and it's Sunday, so we're leaving the safari park. We will head home.
Oh my god, Jamba.
We're heading home.
Googly moogly mush or whatever.
Okay. Alrighty, we are leaving the.
Wait, where?
We're leaving the safari. How's the? Ashangaji.
I know what channel they have, but it starts with a G. And then it says family.
Oh, their channel. Yes, you're right. Their channel is Gourmet Family.
I thought it was Ganyang family.
That's a different family. Gourmet Family, lada.
Gourmet.
Oh, the Gourmet Family tagiyo wa. Okay.
Mama, has
On our way.
Gourmet family subscribed to Twin
Of course, Amma. We support each other, darling. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here today. See you on next video. Bye.